Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Today's recipe is going to blow your mind. It is the most delicious gravy. I call it onion gravy, and there's literally two ingredients, onions and cauliflower. Now, how could that make gravy, you ask? Well, a little magic through machines. If you remember episode 158 of Weight Loss Wednesday, I showed you how to make crock pot caramelized onions, and I have some right here. And you can see how beautifully they've been cooked. They're supposed to go for 24 hours, but I only seem to ever make it 21 or 22. But they are unbelievably delicious. And you know, people keep asking, can I do this in the Instant Pot? Can I do this another method? They don't come out as good. I've tried. So get a crock pot. They're like less than 20 bucks and you'll have the most mind-blowing caramelized onions. So the only other ingredient is steamed cauliflower. I'm using this cute little Pampered Chef micro steamer. It takes about 6 minutes in the microwave to microwave a 12-ounce bag of cauliflower. I drained the water out. I'm going to place that first in my blender. And I'm going to puree my cauliflower. Cauliflower is my secret ingredient for just about everything these days. It's okay if it's not perfectly pureed because the onions will definitely help because they're going to add some liquid. So I'm just going to take the onions, and I'm not going to drain them too much, but I'm going to let a lot of the juice drip out and save that. That is the most delicious French onion soup in the whole world. So this was about 3 onions when I started it 24 hours ago. I use 1 red, 1 sweet, and 1 yellow. I'm going to add that, and you can add as few or as little as you like. I'm going to start with that. I like to save a few, have them for bean burgers and such. And now I'm going to puree again. Now, I like my gravy like I like my men, thick and rich. But if you want a little bit thinner gravy, then just add a little bit of the liquid from the onions. There's no need to be adding flour or starch unless you want to gravies when you can make the quickest, easiest, most delicious gravy. You don't need to dirty a saute pot in very little time with 2 healthy ingredients. I'm just going to pour it in this little carafe. And again, you like it thinner, just add a little bit of the onion juice. And I'll tell you, this is absolutely delicious. Lentil loaf, you can try my lentil loaf in my book on process. This is great on mashed potatoes. This is great on everything. Mind-blowing 2-ingredient onion gravy. I hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Take care now.